Hi everybody, here's a knife I made from some swing steel, and today I'm going to show you how I made the sort of complex handle. Pretty. So now I'm the stage where I just cut two 4mm drill bits hole here, and now I just need to connect these holes with just my Dremel. So now I'm just going to use this file just to make something like quite nice, or snug fit, or try to make a snug fit. I won't be able to make a perfect one, but I will try to. Yeah. Ugh. You can see there's a gap, oh yeah, a big gap there. I think I'm just going to finish there, and because this is as far as I can go with my skills. Well, it's sort of okay. There's a bit of a gap here, and maybe a bit here, but on this side it looks alright. My feature knife, and I'm just going to use some teak, oak, wenge, and oak. So now I'm just going to, like you saw on my drawing, just going to cut the teak, and I put some WD-40 on the knife to prevent it from rusting, of course. There we go. Okay, now that everything is flat, I'm just going to cut this piece of oak. So there's one piece is going to be here, and one piece is going to be here. There we go. Whoa. I've been thinking just now, and I just realized that I have a new idea. So here, this is Paduk. So I'm just going to put it in here, squeeze this, well, just glue it here, then just make a very thin strip of wenge and put this strip this way. This could be quite nice. Yeah, I'm liking this project. So there we go. So I'm just going to cut it like this, and I'm just going to glue it there, and I think this is going to be quite nice. There we go. Go, yeah. There we go, and yeah, sliding away, and there. There we go. Oops. So I don't know how I did it, but I managed to drill everything out. Now just put it in. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it looks awesome. Oh, so now I've just well, sketched my design and it looks awesome. Yay! Problem in my knife, the blade moved when I just clamped my handle together, and it just warped, or yeah, sort of warped. I finally finished sanding my handle. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So now I'm just going to leave it overnight.